Okay, for the ideas, boys, I've just been going through this technique with Roger as well. This is it's a very ancient Chinese method of linear boxing called Xing Yi Chuan, which basically just means mind boxing. So the mind moves first and the body moves later. And it's a theory. It's a theory of the mechanics of the body and how it works with generation of power. And mass times acceleration equal force, really. That's all it is. And the human body has an ankle, a knee, a waist, a shoulder, an elbow joint, and a wrist joint. Now those things are in connection with each other from the center. So that's all it's saying. So this movement here is what the Chinese call Sensei. So it means three trinity posture. It's like the Trinity, Holy Trinity. 3 is the magic number, right? Holy Trinity in Christianity, for example. So you got the wrist is in line with the ankle, the elbow's in line with the knee, and the shoulder's in line with the waist. It's all connected, so that when it moves, you can see obviously everything has to move. The ankle moves, the knee moves, the waist moves, and from here the elbow, the shoulder moves, the elbow moves, and the wrist moves. You see, that's all it's trying to say. It's from an ancient technique in the military, Chinese military, about 1,500 years ago, from a particular general. I can't remember his name, but it's actually a spear form. So the linear, like if you think of the sarissas in the ancient Greek times, they've got their shield, but they have the sarissas above here. It's all linear. It's coming straight forward. So the sarissa's over the top of the shield. The shield is here, but the sarissas are coming forward. They're in a perfect line. But in Chinese mechanisms are a bit different. They had spears more, I think, towards this way. So you can see the body already. All you have to do is from this point of view. So you've got the weight in the back leg for a charge forward. So they've all got their weight in the back leg more or less so they can come forward. But from here you've got this. So this is just generating into an open hand form rather than with a spear. So you can see the evolution of how that technique has come about and how that became part of the culture of Chinese culture. So you could probably assimilate this in Australia with the Gallipoli race, with the what do you call it? Those little knives at the end of the gun. What are they called, Rog? What are they called? The knives at the end of the guns.
You're not sure the technique.
There's a little knife at the end of it. It's called something. It's a bit like that anyway. So they would charge in like this. So if you're shooting like this, they've also got the knife at the end of it as well. Baton or something, not baton, something like that anyway. So you could assimilate it to that. That's it really. That's the history.